Alright guys, on this survival tip video, I'm going to teach you how to put a very simple handle to a blade. You might lose your handle in the blade, you might be interested in doing our knife making course and actually make an awesome blade like this, and you want to slap a handle on there really quickly in the field in an emergency when you have to. A paracord handle is great because you always have the paracord to use for other uses afterwards when you need to remove it from your knife, or it will actually give you a really good grip because paracord is awesome stuff. And I'm going to teach you how to use this to put it on your handle with no knot. Really cool. Alright guys, to fit this paracord to the handle of the knife, you actually need only two things. You need a length of paracord and you also need a drawstring. Now, as we know, paracord is brilliant stuff. On the inside of paracord, it has got inner strands. These inner strands are used for snares, for all sorts of stuff, and we'll show you that on future videos. But what we want to do is, we want to take a short piece of the inner out of our paracord first, and we will cut it off and keep it as a drawstring. Now we're going to start to wrap our handle. To wrap the handle, you need to take the edge of the paracord or the end of the paracord and lie it lengthwise where you need to start your wrapping. Now you're going to do one wrap and trap the loose end. That will secure it, get it in a nice position where you need the handle to start, and now you simply wrap the rest of the paracord around the handle. Move it up every so often to make sure that it stays nice and neat, and before you know it, the loose end will disappear under your wrapping. So at the moment, as we stand halfway through the wrap, there's absolutely no knot on either side. You continue your wrapping until you get to roughly 2-3 centimeters from the end of your blade. Now, you're going to take your drawstring, you're going to double it up so that you create a loop, and the loop should always face the direction that you're wrapping towards. The drawstring loose ends is on the opposite side. Now, you wrap over your loop or drawstring, and once you get to the end of your wrapping, you will simply cut off your paracord, leaving a short length to be able to work with. Right, after you've cut your end of the paracord, so you have a little bit left to work with, you stick the loose end through your loop, grab firm hold of the two ends of your drawstring, and simply pull the loose end of your paracord through the handle material. So that's wrapped underneath the handle now. Pull the loose end of your paracord tight, and you sit with a really nice, neat wrapping. Take your knife, cut off the paracord, and you've got a beautiful handle. Alright, for all of you guys that have enjoyed this video on how to fit a paracord handle to a solid blade, watch out our next video where we're going to teach you how to wrap paracord to a skeleton blade.